Now parents, I am going to show you an activity on GK question answers and this numbers. Can you see numbers, kids? Parents, what you have to do is you have to make shirt and pant like this. Like when you are making one on a shirt, you have to make one dot on this pant. When you are writing two number on shirt, you have to make two dots on this pant. When you are writing 3 number on the shirt, you have to make 3 dots on pant. And when you are writing 4 number on shirt, you have to make 4 dots on the pant. Okay parents? Now what kids will do is, first parents you have to place the numbers like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And place the dots in a jumbled way. Okay, don't put it under the number 2, like don't put under number 2, don't put number 2 dots. You have to put any other dots. Okay, now what kids will do? Kids will just count the dots and place the correct dot under the correct number. Okay, like first we will count these dots. 1, 2, 3 dots. Okay, so it will be placed under number 3. Kids, number 3 कैसा दिखता है? Half circle and one more half circle. Right? So where is half circle and one more half circle? This is number 3. So you have to place this number 3 dots under this number 3. See, it has become a pair of boy, right? Boys wear shirt and pant. Okay? Now we will count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots are there? 4 dots are there. So you have to place this under number 4. How does number 4 looks? Standing line, sleeping line and another standing line. Right? So you have to put under this 4 number t-shirt. Now how many dots are there? There is only 1 dot. How do we write number 1? A standing line, right? So can you see a standing line? Yes, this is a standing line. So put it under number 1. Now how many dots are there? 1 and 2 dots are there. So you have to place it under number 2. Can you see number 2? Half circle, sleeping line. Half circle, sleeping line. Right kids? So you have to place it number 2. So how many pairs of clothes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of clothes are there. What do boys wear? Boys wear jeans, trousers and shirt. Okay kids? Bye. Now we are going to do one more activity on letter L. What we are going to do kids? We are going to make a ladybug with a potato stamp, right? With this potato. Right, we will make a ladybug. So this is letter L activity. So parents, what you have to do is you can use any sharp thing. You can use pin or anything. Make a straight line in middle like this. Okay, in middle. Then take a brush or any circle thing, small circle thing. Like I am taking a brush. I am taking a brush back to make a hole. You have to make 3 holes. 3 holes at one side and 3 holes at another side. Okay. Parents, you have to do this as our kids are not able to do this. So parents, make these holes first. Then you have to make its eyes. Kids, can you see its eyes? Just 2 small little eyes. Okay, 1 eye and this is 2 eyes. Okay, so it's 2 eyes are made. Then parents, what you will do is take a red color paint and add little bit of water in it. Then help the kids. We have to first dip this potato in this red color and then stamp on the page. Okay, can you see this? I have made its two eyes, 3 dots here, 3 dots here, and a straight line in middle. Okay, so you have to put it in color. Don't dip it too much, dip it little bit. Okay, you can use paint also, like this. And then stamp it here. Okay, like this. Again take little bit. Spread it with paint brush and stamp it here. Parents, please help the kids. Okay, so our potato ladybugs are ready, but we have to make its legs also. See, can you see in this picture? There are its legs also. So take a painting brush and make its legs like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and it's 2 more at its mouth. See, our ladybug is ready. It's looking so nice. 3 legs, 3 legs, and 2 at the mouth. Okay, 3 legs, 3 legs, and 2 at the mouth. So our potato ladybug is ready. So this is the activity for letter L, right? L for ladybug. Ladybug. You have to make its legs. Parents, please keep in mind that don't dip it too much. As you can see, somewhere it has been, I had dip it very much, that's why it's not been clear. So keep this in mind. So our ladybug is ready. Our ladybug is ready. Can you see this potato ladybug? So you have to make it like this. Okay, my kids, and okay, parents. Bye.